This song is dedicated for my two friends who leave to account for situations in life. So I made this video for Gibbs even though we knew they would not be able to forget and for us when we miss each other. I made this video can only right for every one of us.
Sa lahat ng luha, lagi kang may kasama. Sa gitna ng ulan, karamay mo ako, kaibigan. Sa tatahakin mong daan, hindi kita iiwan. Hindi ka na mag-iisa, kaibigan. Ating pagkakaibigan, di magbabago kailanman. Hanggang pujan kutan ko, isang pangyaw ni Huitong. Kahit na magkalayo, nandito ka sa aking puso.
All I wish, sana bago may lumabas, we learn each day to love each other more. Amen.
Itsiwa, ipeitsa, magkaibigan, kahit kailan.